Okay, for number 11, we are looking at a stone that was launched vertically up with an initial speed that was 20 meters per second. So the top speed, we'll say, was 20 meters. After 3 seconds, they're asking us to find what the speed will be after 3 seconds. So if we're at 20 in 1 second, then that's 1. Then in the second, we're going to be at 10 because gravity is pulling down the stone at negative 10 meters per second. So every second from 20, it's going to go down 10. So from 20, in second 2, we go down to 10. In second 3, in second 1, we're at 10. In second 2, we're at 0 because it went down 10 more. And at second 3, we're at negative 10 meters per second. So the answer would be C, negative 10 in the y direction, or negative 10 in the j direction.